Alright, today we're going to learn how to play Pennyroyal by Nirvana. There are a couple of sections to the song. There's a verse and there's a chorus. And we're going to go through it real quickly here. It starts off with an A minor. I'm on my time with everyone. I have very bad posture. And then the chorus is C to D to B flat, just power chords. Said I drink Pennyroyal tea to stay out the life that's inside of me. So that's how you play Pennyroyal by Nirvana. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We're going to be putting up a tutorial every single day. Appreciate it.